Or I might get it in my mouth.
That's why I don't yell on this one. I just go like this.
Millennium Force, baby, back row. Ready for this? The sun is bright. Here we go, y'all. Back row, Millennium Force.
Back row, Millennium Force, baby.
Not Columbus. What's that city called?
Toledo?
No, it's Sandusky. I'm pretty sure it's Sandusky. Look at that. You can see room on this whole layout. Oh. Here we go. Whoa! Oh man, Millennium Force. Is it on my face?
No, I was saying, is it on your face?
Wow.
I didn't get hit this time. I was alright.
Woo.